Hey everyone, welcome back to Brainwave Learning Hub. Tired of overpriced baggage fees, chaotic packing, and travel stress? You're not alone. In this video, we're revealing some smart travel hacks that seasoned travelers swear by, from saving money and skipping lines to packing like a pro. Stick around, these tips could change the way you travel forever.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Brainwave Learning Hub. Over the years, I've picked up some seriously clutch travel hacks that have changed the game for me. Today I'm dropping some serious travel wisdom to make your trip smoother, smarter, and way more enjoyable. Let's do this. Alright, let's talk packing. We've all been there, staring into the abyss of an empty suitcase, wondering how we're going to fit our entire lives in there. Well, I'm here to tell you about my secret weapon packing cubes. They're like little drawers for your luggage, keeping everything organized and in its place. No more digging through a mountain of clothes just to find that one sock. With packing cubes, you can separate your shirts, pants, underwear, you name it. And the best part, they actually compress your clothes so you can fit way more in your bag. Trust me, packing cubes are a game changer. I remember this one time I was on this crazy trip across Europe, like city hopping every other day. But thanks to my trusty packing cubes, I was able to stay organized and find everything I needed in seconds. So do yourself a favor and invest in some packing cubes. Your future self will thank you. Okay, let's talk about airports. They can be super stressful, right? Long lines, security checks, and that constant fear of missing your flight. But there's one thing that can make your airport experience so much smoother: the digital boarding pass. No more fumbling around for those flimsy paper tickets that always seem to disappear at the worst possible moment. With a digital boarding pass, everything you need is right there on your phone. You're breezing through security, phone in hand, boarding pass displayed, feeling like a boss. Plus, it's way better for the environment. Less paper waste, everyone wins. I remember this one time I was running super late for a flight, but I had my digital boarding pass ready to go on my phone, so I was able to skip the check-in line and head straight to security. It was a lifesaver. Listen, we all love a good deal, right? Especially when it comes to flights. There are tons of websites and apps out there that can help you find the best flight deals. We're talking Skyscanner, Google Flights, Hopper. These are your new best friends. They compare prices from different airlines so you can see who's offering the cheapest fares. But here's the pro tip: set up price alerts. Just tell the app where you want to go and when, and it'll notify you when the price drops. It's like having your own personal travel agent, but without the annoying fees. I remember this one time I was planning a trip to Japan. Flights were crazy expensive, like over $2,000. But I set up a price alert on Hopper, and a few weeks later, boom, I got a notification that the price had dropped to like half the cost. I booked it immediately. All right, let's talk about tech, specifically your phone, because let's be real, our phones are our lifelines when we travel, right? Maps, translations, booking confirmations, we rely on them for everything. But what happens when your battery dies? Disaster. That's why a portable charger is an absolute must-have for any traveler. Imagine this. You're in a foreign country, lost, and your phone dies, but with a portable charger, you're always prepared. You can juice up your phone on the go, whether you're on a long flight, exploring a new city, or just hanging out at the airport. It's like having a backup battery in your pocket. I remember this one time I was hiking in the mountains and my phone died. Luckily, I had my trusty portable charger with me. I was able to charge my phone, find my way back to the trail, and avoid a potential disaster. Okay, last but not least, let's talk about staying healthy while you travel. Because let's be real, getting sick on vacation is the worst. So how do you stay healthy while you're on the go? It's all about being prepared and using common sense. First things first, hydration is key. Seriously, drink plenty of water, especially when you're flying. The air inside airplanes is super dry and can dehydrate you quickly. Next up, sleep. Getting enough rest is crucial for staying healthy. When you're sleep deprived, your immune system weakens, making you more susceptible to germs. And finally, let's talk about hygiene. Airports and airplanes are basically breeding grounds for germs, so be sure to pack hand sanitizer and wipes in your carry-on. And don't be afraid to use them liberally. Trust me, your fellow passengers will thank you. There you have it, folks, my top travel hacks to make your trips smoother, smarter, and way more enjoyable. So pack those packing cubes, charge those portable chargers, and get ready for your next adventure.
If one of these hacks made your next trip feel a little easier, go ahead and give this video a like. Got a genius travel trick of your own? Drop it in the comments. We're always learning from each other. And don't forget to subscribe for more smart, stress-free travel tips. Right here on Brainwave Learning Hub. Safe travels.